The 7 Best Keyboard Apps for Android. These Android keyboards will help you type faster, correct your grammar, or even offer senior-friendly big keys. Typing on Android may not be as easy and fun if you're not content with the built-in keyboard that your phone ships with. In Android, customization is key, and one of the most personal and integral aspects of your mobile experience is your keyboard. The default keyboard that comes with your Android device is functional, but why settle for the ordinary when you can explore a world of possibilities? Whether you seek improved typing speed, unique themes, advanced predictive text, or enhanced emoji support, here is a list of the best keyboard apps for Android that cater to every taste and preference. 1. Gboard. If you're seeking an Android keyboard that has your back in all aspects, try Google's Gboard. Gboard is the default keyboard on Android if you get a Pixel phone. As a built-in solution, you might think Gboard is a basic keyboard, but it's not. For starters, it supports different input methods, including regular typing, glide, handwriting, voice typing, and even Morse code. Additionally, it packs many helpful features for your typing needs, including predictive text, a clipboard, translation support, autocorrect, a custom dictionary, emoji suggestions, multiple languages and layouts, one-handed mode, GIFs, stickers, and emojis. You'll also find features you can't find anywhere else, like the ability to schedule messages and create custom stickers in the Messages app. If you're into customization, Gboard allows you to customize the size and theme of your keyboard. With lots of features at your disposal, you'll need to adjust various Gboard settings for improved typing. Download Gboard, free. 2. Grammarly. Grammarly is another solid keyboard for Android. If the name hasn't given it all out already, Grammarly is dedicated to ensuring that your writing is grammatically correct. The keyboard uses the company's exceptional engine for detecting and correcting spelling, grammatical, and punctuation mistakes in real time. As one of the best grammar checker apps for Android, it's a must-have if you regularly write formal messages and emails on your device. But Grammarly is not just a writing assistant. It's also one of the best Android keyboards due to its functionalities. It gets all the basics right, from predictive typing to custom keyboard sizes, emojis, stickers, GIFs, multiple keyboard layouts, and support for different languages. Download Grammarly, free, in-app purchases available. 3. Microsoft SwiftKey. Microsoft SwiftKey has been around for a while. The company's continuous improvements have made it one of the best keyboards on Android. It has multilingual support with over 700 languages, ensuring that users from all parts of the world are catered for. Other basics like autocorrect, predictive typing, size and theme customization, emojis, stickers, and GIFs are all available. However, SwiftKey has several tricks up its sleeve that make it stand out. First, the built-in clipboard has a cloud feature that allows you to copy and paste text between your phone and your Windows devices. Second, you can create tasks from your keyboard, and they'll be saved to Microsoft's To-Do app, so you can manage them from there. The only catch is some of these features require you to sign in. Download SwiftKey, free. 4. Typewise. Unlike previous keyboards in this list, Typewise is targeted at those who need a keyboard that has a non-standard layout. Typewise uses a hexagon layout, making the keys 70% larger and easier to hit. This is a perfect option for those who need an Android keyboard with bigger keys than the standard QWERTY or QWERTZ layout. If you master this layout, you should experience fewer typos. But if you'd like to stick with the normal layout, it has that as an option. Typewise has gesture support that improves the overall typing experience. For example, a swipe up will capitalize a letter, a swipe left will delete, and a swipe right restores deleted letters.